Blue Dot. Cultivating Love for Learning.
Chapter 4. Uni 2, World of Animals. Reproduction in Animals. Reproduction is the biological process. Reproduction is a fundamental feature of all known life. Each individual organism exists as the result of reproduction. How animals reproduce. Animals can be grouped into those which give birth to living offspring and those which lay eggs that eventually hatch into offspring. Those animals which give birth to live offspring are called live-bearing or viviparous. Those animals which lay eggs are called egg-laying or oviparous. Below is a table of the vertebrates which shows which groups are viviparous and which groups are oviparous. Group: Oviparous, egg-layers; viviparous, live-bearers. Mammals: only a few primitive egg-laying mammals exist, e.g. spiny anteater and duck-billed platypus. Nearly all mammals, e.g. mouse, human, cat, dog, bear, kangaroo and dolphin. Birds: all birds, e.g. robin, penguin, parrot, sparrow and eagle. None. Reptiles: most reptiles are egg-laying, for example, crocodile, turtle and cobra. Some snakes are live-bearing, for example, vipers. Amphibians: nearly all, e.g. frog, toad. A few species of frogs living in South America and West Africa are live-bearers. Fish: most species, for example, herring, salmon and trout. Quite a few species are live-bearers, for example, sharks and guppies. Birds: the egg cell of a bird is really what we call the yolk. The yolk is the food supply for the developing embryo. The egg that a hen, a female bird, lays is covered in layers of albumin, two membranes and a hard shell. The shell and the membranes protect and support the egg. The albumin feeds the developing embryo with water and protein. A hen bird may lay from 1 to 19 eggs in her nest. The bird only lay one egg per day. The bird usually lays her egg for the day early in the morning. This is so that she can be free to hunt for food during the morning and in the middle of the day. Taking care of the eggs. Baby birds require care and therefore the birds build nests for them to live and hatch in. Birds take great care of their eggs. Usually the eggs are laid in a nest. In most cases, it is the body heat of the parent bird which keeps the eggs warm. Keeping the eggs warm is called incubation. If the eggs get cold, the embryo developing inside will die. Insects. The majority of insects hatch from eggs. Insects are small creatures which have 6 legs. For example, cockroach, housefly, butterfly, etc. Life cycle of a cockroach. There are 3 stages in cockroach life cycle. They are 1. Egg 2. Nymph 3. Adult. The life cycle starts in an egg that is put into a case with 6 to 40 eggs at a time. The cockroach life cycle gets a bit more exciting when the eggs hatch and the young cockroaches are very small and known as nymphs. The nymphs must go through several stages of molting, where their body will be quite soft and white. Each time the molting process is completed, the cockroach will get bigger, change in color. The nymph stage of the cockroach life cycle can take anywhere from a month and a half to several years, depending on the environment. Life cycle of a butterfly. Butterflies lay eggs. They pass through 4 stages in their life cycle: egg, caterpillar, pupa, butterfly. Stage 1. Tiny eggs are laid by the female on a leaf. Around 5 days later, a tiny worm-like creature will hatch. Stage 2. Caterpillar, larva. The caterpillar is the primary eating and growth stage of the insect. Stage 3. Pupa or chrysalis. The pupa or chrysalis is the resting or transformation stage, and within it the marvelous transformation from caterpillar to adult takes place. Stage 4. Adult butterfly emerges from chrysalis. Life cycle of a housefly. A housefly's life cycle is divided into 4 stages: 1. Egg, 2. Larva, 3. Pupa, and 4. Adult. Egg. Each female fly can lay up to 500 eggs in several batches of about 75 to 150 eggs, each over a 3 to 4 day period. Larva. The mature larva is 3 to 9 millimeters long, cylindrical but tapering toward the head. The legless maggots emerge from the eggs in warm weather within 8 to 20 hours, and they immediately feed on and develop in the material where the eggs were laid. High manure moisture favors the survival of housefly larvae. Pupa. The pupa stage is passed in a pupa case formed from the last larval skin, which varies in color from yellow, red, brown, to black as the pupa ages. The emerging fly escapes from the pupal case through the use of an alternately swelling and shrinking sac, called the tilinum, on the front of its head, which it uses like a pneumatic hammer. Adult. The housefly is 6 to 7 millimeters long, with the female usually larger than the male. Reptiles. Reptiles have scaly skin. The female's eggs are fertilized in her body by the male. The eggs are laid in a shell that has a leathery covering to protect. The common reptiles are snakes, turtles, lizards, and crocodiles. Life cycle of a snake. Depends on the climate conditions, the mating season of snakes vary. In colder regions, spring is the mating season, whereas snakes can undergo mating in any season in case of tropical regions. The female lays the fertilized eggs in shallow holes or under the rocks. The outer covering of snake's egg is not hard, rather it resembles soft leather. The female snake guards and looks after the eggs till they hatch. The juvenile snake comes out of the egg by biting the egg cover with the help of egg tooth. As the juvenile snakes hatch, they attain maturity within 2 to 4 years. Frogs. Egg. Frogs lay their eggs in water or wet places. A floating clump of eggs is called frog spawn. The egg begins as a single cell. Several thousand are sometimes laid at once. It becomes surrounded by a jelly-like covering, which protects the egg. Cell splits. The single cell in the egg eventually splits into 2. These 2 split, making 4 cells, and so on. Embryo. The mass of cells in the egg come to form an embryo. Organs and gills begin to form, and in the meantime, the embryo lives off of its internal yolk. This supplies it with nutrients for 21 days. Tadpole. After its 21-day development period, the embryo leaves its jelly shell and attaches itself to a weed in the water. This quickly becomes a tadpole, a baby frog. The tadpoles grow until they are big enough to break free into the water. This can take from 3 days to 3 weeks. Frog. 11 weeks after the egg was laid, a fully developed frog with lungs, legs, and no tail emerges from the water. This frog will live mostly on land, with occasional swims. The tiny frogs begin to eat insects and worms. Fish. Some fish lay eggs. Other fish are born live. When fish have babies or lay eggs, it is called spawning. Spawner. Spawners are mature females and males that return to the stream they were born in to lay and fertilize between 1,000 and 10,000 eggs, depending on species and size. Eggs are fertilized by the spawning male and covered by gravel by the female for protection. Egg. The eggs incubate over winter, usually to 2-3 months, then they hatch as alevin. Alevin. Alevins have tiny yolk sacs attached to the underside of their body. The sac gives alevins food for 1 or 2 months. They stay in the red until spring when the yolk sacs are gone. Fry. When alevins can't take anything else from the yolk sac, they absorb it into their body. That is a fry. The fry is the stage when they leave the red and begin feeding on small insects and plants. Smoles are juvenile salmon, they eat all the time, and they grow rapidly. Adult, adult trout live in the ocean for a period of 1 to 6 years. Live-bearing animals. It means that the animal will give birth to live young. Mammals. Most mammals are viviparous, giving birth to their offspring alive. Most baby mammals grow inside their mother until they are born. Another important characteristic is that mammal babies drink milk from their mothers until they are old enough to eat other food. Human mother who carries her young for 9 months. An elephant mother carries her children for 20 to 22 months, the longest of any mammal. A newborn will weigh around 300 pounds and will be 1 meter high. Why look after young? Animals care for offspring to improve their chances of survival. More of these babies survive to adulthood than those whose parents leave them to tend for themselves. Points to remember. Reproduction is the biological process by which new offspring individual organisms are produced from their parents. Those animals which give birth to live offspring are called live-bearing or viviparous. Those animals which lay eggs are called egg-laying or oviparous. In most birds, reptiles, insects, frogs and fish are lay eggs. Mammals are viviparous, as are some fish.
Like, share, subscribe.